What is happening, everyone? My name is Coma Eats, and today we're gonna make some burgers. So this is actually my first time in front of the camera in so long. So cut me some slack as I kind of shake off all the cobwebs. I'm gonna go get some ingredients and then we'll get started. Okay, so here's my haul. I got the shredded iceberg lettuce because they didn't have any of the normal iceberg at the store. Sweet brioche buns, only like $2.50 from Aldi. They're so good. I got myself a classic little tomato, brown onion, some mince. Now this is like kind of the best store-bought mince you can get, but I generally go butcher-made mince from the guys at Black Forest, but I was time poor today. And this is some of the stuff that I usually just keep in the fridge because it lasts a while. You've got the smoky cheese, pickles. This is all the stuff for the special sauce.
Alrighty, so I thought I'd just kind of narrate this next bit because it was really hard to try and talk and cook at the same time because I am not that good at cooking. As you can see, I'm doing a terrible job at cutting tomato. To be honest with you, I was so embarrassed by my onion cutting skills that I didn't put half of it in. I mean, just look at that sloppy knife work there. It really was embarrassing.
So every burger needs a good burger sauce. Now I'm going to show you a really simple, easy one to put together just from some sauces you'll have in the house.
What I was going for here is kind of more like your imitation Big Mac sauce. Obviously the most important thing there was the burger pickles. But I throw my own spice mix in there just to play it up, and I actually really digged it. After that, you just lube up and clean that grill, throw the bun on, just get it nice and crusty on the outside. Pretty brown if you ask me. Looks good, not burnt. Give it a little quick clean, and then looking at smashes, we've either got this one here from Smash City, check them out on Instagram, and then also the Smash Square. For this one today, I preferred to use the Smash Square just because it's a little bit easier to do, and I wanted a flat smash. Chucking some bacon on there, got my patties. Give it a little heat up first, just because if you do that, it's not going to stick to the patty when you're smashing it, and sliding it off just like that. And I do that little kind of side to side just so that I can slip it off easy. I'm not going to use seasoning today. I'm actually doing mustard smash patties. It's a pretty cool little way to cook your burgers. In and Out does it, so it's not something that people don't know about. Give them a little flip. Oh man, that is just absolutely crustastic. Chuck some cheese on there. You can see the mustard's all over the grill now. That's fun to clean up. Yeah, got the bacon on there. That is some delicious looking bacon. Alright, and now it's just kind of putting it together. I got lettuce everywhere in the process of putting this video together. Decided I wanted 3 pieces of tomato. And then just chucking on that burger sauce to finish. Onion for a bit of crunch. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I kind of had to go with the flow with this one today and change how I filmed it halfway through because it turns out it's really hard to hold a camera while cooking. Yeah, so I'm going to keep playing with how I put these videos together. Hopefully you like it. If you don't, you can bugger off, I don't care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!